Hello everyone, good day. This is Sir Romel and today we're going to learn about rate base and percentage. Okay, so to start with, let's talk about percentage. So percentage is the amount that represents a part of a whole. So that is a percentage. Next one is the base. Base is the number that represents the whole or entire amount. And lastly, the rate. It is the number compared to 100. Usually it is either with a percent sign or the word percent with it. Okay, so let's have this problem. Robin's daily allowance is 40 pesos. He spends 12 pesos for snacks. And this is 30% of his daily allowance. Okay, so from this problem, we are going to identify the three elements which are the base, the rate, and the percentage. Okay, so para sa inyo, alin ang pinakamadaling identify dun sa tatlo? Okay, alin kaya ang pinakamadaling identify? The rate, the base, or the percentage? Okay, so try natin the rate, the base, or the percentage. Okay, para sa akin, pinakamadali is yung rate. Kasi ang rate, makikita agad natin siya kasi meron siyang percent symbol. Okay? Meron siyang percent symbol. So, kita agad natin. So, ang rate natin is 30%. Basta may percent symbol, rate yun. Okay? The next, the base and the percentage. According to our definition, yung base natin is the total or the whole, yung kabuuan. So, kung pinag-uusapan natin dito is about Robin's daily allowance, so magkano yung daily allowance ni Robin? Yung kabuuan, yung buong buo na walang bawas. Okay, so that is 40. So, yun yung base natin. 40. Okay, so syempre, yung natitira, that will be our percentage. Okay? So, pero paano ba natin ma-identify yung percentage? So, yung percentage, which is 12, yan yung in-spend niya from 40 pesos. Ibig sabihin, yan lang yung part lang siya ng 40 pesos. Okay? Yung 12 is only part of 40 pesos. That makes it a percentage, which means part of a whole. Okay? Okay, so from the given problem or situation, we can also write this as in a sentence. No? 12 is 30% of 40 pesos. So 12 pesos is 30% of 40 pesos. Wherein 40 here is our base. 30% is our rate. Okay, that's because it's clearly meron tayong percent symbol, and of course yung last 12 which is part of 40, that is our percentage. Now, we can also identify from this sentence statement that yung base natin, lagi siyang sinusundan ng word na of. So, after the word of, that is our base. Remember that, no? After the word of, that is our base. Okay? Okay, so let's proceed. So, this time, meron tayong tinatawag na Techans triangle. At ano tong Techans triangle na to? So, ito siya. Okay. So, sa Techans triangle, makikita natin yung P sa taas. That is P stands for percentage. And then R, that is for rate, and then B for base. So remember, dito tayo kukuha ng formula in solving for the rate, base, and percentage. So tandaan nyo, lagi yung P nasa taas, yung R and B nasa baba. Okay, so paano natin gagamitin to as formula? Okay, so ito yung magiging guide natin. So for example, halimbawa, hinahanap natin ay, we're looking for P. Ang nawawala sa problem ay percentage. So, kung nawawala ang P, So meaning, itong dalawang matitira. So ibig sabihin, yan lang, isulat mo lang R, tapos that is multiplication times base. Okay? Magkatapat sila eh. Now, kung R naman ang nawawala, so since yung P nasa taas, yung B nasa baba, so para sinabi lang natin na P over B, or that is P divided by B. Okay? And para sa B naman, if base ang nawawala, so since P ang nasa taas, so that is also P over R, or pwede rin natin sabihin na that is P divided by R, or rate. Okay? So, wag lang natin kalimutan yung tangent triangle, madali nating mabubuo yung mga formula. Okay? Okay, so let's go to finding the percentage. Let's say, for example, this problem, example number 1, find 75% of 60. So, 75% of 60 first, sulat natin yung given. Oops, masyadong malaki. Given. Okay, given natin is 75% and 60. So, anong element to? 75% is, okay, very good, that is rate. Diba? Kasi meron percent symbol, so that is 75%. And then, 75% of 60. Okay? So, sabi ko kanina, basta sinusundan ng of, okay, may of tayo, ano yung kasunod? Okay, so that is base. So, ang base natin ay 60. Okay, so anong nawawala? Okay, yung percentage. Percentage. Okay? So, para makuha natin ang percentage, ano nga ulit ang formula? Okay, kung matatanda natin, yung tangent triangle. Okay? Ano yung nasa taas? Yun ay P. Nasa baba is R, tsaka B. So, kung nawawala ay P, nawawala ang P, so that means P is equals to R rate times base. Okay? So, lagay natin. Ano ba yung rate natin? That is 75% times 60. So, is equals to, yung 75%, gagawin natin siyang decimal. So, para maging decimal, divide natin 75 divided by 100. And that will give you 0.75. Okay? So, parang nag-move lang tayo ng decimal point to the left ng 2 beses. Okay? Then, times 60. Okay? So, multiply natin. 0.75 times 60. Okay, 0. 6 times 5 is 30. Carry 3. 6 times 7 is 42. Plus 3 is 45. Okay, then decimal point 1, 2. So 1, 2. So our answer is 45.00. Or pwede natin hindi ilagay yung 0. So the answer is 45. Okay? Okay, so let's have another example. Let's see. So, example number 2. So, there are 250 pupils in a school. If 20% of them are boys, how many Boy Scouts does the school have? Okay, so analyze natin. So, let's see. There are 250 pupils. Lagay muna natin ang given. Okay, wait. Given muna tayo. So, ano kaya yung 250? 20%. Okay, so ang 20%, kitang-kita naman, that is our rate. So, rate is 20%. So, madali nga siya identify kasi meron siyang symbol ng percent. And then, how about 250? Ano kaya to? There are 250 pupils in a school. Okay, so 250 yan yung kabuuan lahat-lahat ng estudyante sa school. So ano yung 250? Okay, very good. So that is our base. 250, that is the whole. Now, anong nawawala again? Percentage. Okay? Yung part of a whole. Kasi ang hinahanap natin is how many Boy Scouts. So, yung Boy Scouts na yun is part yun ng 250. Kasi sa 250 pupils, meron dyan babae, may lalaki. So, lahat ng lalaki dyan, Boy Scouts, syempre. Okay? So, hahanapin natin yung So obviously, hindi nyo makikita dyan yung number na may percent symbol. Okay? Kasi rate nga yung nawawala. So, ano tong 45? Ano yung 75? Okay, ano yung clue na hanapin natin? Okay, yung word na off. Ano yung sinusundan niya? Okay, so that is our base. So, ang base natin ay sinusundan ng word na off. So, that is 75. And then, syempre, yung 45 na mas maliit, that is our percentage. Kung nakuha nyo na yung base, syempre, yung kaisa is percentage. So, ang nawawala ay rate. No? Nawawala ang rate. So, ano ba yung formula ng rate? So, ulitin natin yung Techans triangle. Diba? P ang nasa taas, R, B. So, kung ang nawawala ay R, anong natira? P over B. So, P divided by B or P divided by B. So, that is equals to, ano yung percentage natin? 45 divided by 75. So, that is equals to, divide nga natin. Kung kaya nyo, divide. So, mas maliit kasi. So, 45 divided by 75 is equals to, lagyan natin dito. So, 45 divided by 75, that is, hindi pwede. So, we add 0. Then decimal point. So, 450, that is 6. 6 times 5 is 30, carry 3. 6 times 7 is 42, plus 3 is 45. Okay, then wala na tayong remainder. So the answer is 0.6. Now, ang rate, alam natin ang rate, lagi siyang merong percent, symbol, di ba? Kaya lang, ito ay decimal. So, paano natin gagawing percent to? Rate. Yan, kakabulol-bulol na ako. Paano natin siya gagawing rate, yung decimal? Anyone? Kasi hindi pa yung final answer natin. Okay, so you have to multiply it by 100 to make it percent, to make it a rate. Okay, tingnan natin. So, 100 times 0.6, that is 0.006, then 1. Okay, so your answer is 60%. That is our rate. Okay, so don't forget na, pag dinivide kasi natin yan, usually ang sagot ay decimal. So we have to multiply it by 100 para makuha nyo yung percent. Okay, so there you go. Okay, next one is, okay, that's correct, finding the base. So for example, number 4, let us read. In Mr. Lazo's math class, 8 pupils got high scores on the test. If this is 20% of the total number of pupils in the class, how many pupils does he have in all? Okay, so let's try to find the given. Okay, hanapin natin yung given. So we have here 8 pupils got high scores on the test, and that is 20% of the total number of pupils in the class. So, ibig sabihin, yung 8 na yun yung nakakuha ng high scores. Okay, which is only 20% ng total number of pupils in the class. Ilan bang total number? Or ilang percent ba yung whole? Di ba 100%? Okay, so 20% lang yung nakakuha ng high score, which is 8. Okay, so unahin natin yung rate. So may 20%. So may percent symbol, that is our rate. And then yung 8 kaya, ano kaya to? Base ba to or percentage? Okay, that is percentage. Bakit? 8 pupils, 8 lang nakakuha, which is 20%. Diba? So, ang tanong, how many pupils does he have in all? So, ilan lahat daw yung pupils niya? So, ang nawawala natin ay base. So, ang percentage ay 8. Then, ang base natin yung nawawala. Ito yung tinatanong, ilan lahat yung estudyante. Okay? So, that is question mark. So, we have base. Ano yung formula ng base again? Base is equals to, okay, percentage divided by rate, or pwede nating isulat as percentage divided by rate. So, base is equals to 8 divided by 20%. So, pag nagsusolve tayo again, anong ginagawa natin sa percent? Change natin siya muna sa decimal. Okay? So, 8 divided by 0.20. Huwag kakalimutan gawin decimal. Kasi pagka hindi, magkakamali na. Mali na sagot nyo yan. So, base is equals to 8 divided by 0.20. So, 8 yung nasa loob divided by 0.20. So, that is, i-move natin 1, 2 para maging whole number siya. 1, 2. And then, so, i-move din natin decimal point niya, which is 2. Kaya magiging 800. So, 800. So, magiging, this is 4, 0, 8. May 0 pa natira. 0, 0, 0. So, the answer is 40 pupils. Okay. So, ito yung total. Total pupils. Okay. So, yan yung lahat-lahat na pupils ni Mr. Lazo sa math class. Okay. So, meaning, 40 lahat ang pupils niya, 8 ang nakakuha ng high score, yung 8, yun yung 20%. Ay, sorry. Ayun na naman. Wala na naman po ako. Okay, so balik tayo. So, yan po yung 20%. Okay. Yan. So, ano yung 40? Siya yung 100%. Okay, yun yung base. Ito yung rate. And this is our percentage. Okay, now, let us try to solve this. So, I want you to copy that and try to practice that at home. Try to solve. Hanapin nyo, lagay nyo muna yung given, yung rate based on percentage, and then solve nyo yung missing element. Okay? So, after nyo kopyahin, sagutan, and then check nyo. Okay? So, that's it. So, I hope may natutunan tayo for this day, for this video. Hanggang sa muli, keep safe, and goodbye.